We at Meditech Devices Pvt Ltd specialized in all type of venous access catheters. We have full range of central venous catheter, dialysis catheter, PICC and arterial catheter. Today we'll demonstrate features and benefit of Meditech arterial catheter. Arterial catheters are used for continuous blood pressure monitoring, for taking the blood sample and measure the arterial blood gas measurement. This is a full kit contain catheter, introducer needle and guide wire. The catheter is made up of PTFE material because of the PTFE having a good guiding characteristics, and catheters comes with the flexible wings for the better placement. PTFE having a excellent tissue and blood compatibility. Smooth surface prevent the thrombogenesity. Made up with the special tip for the easy insertion. The kit comes with the nitinol kink resistance guide wire with straight flexible tip for the easy insertions. Kit comes with the introducer needle 20 gauge 4 cm. The introducer needle is the key features of our kit. It is made up of high grade stainless steel material with the very thin wall. Because of the thin wall, it gives a very easy insertion, and it's a siliconized needle. Arterial catheters are available in 18 gauge 10 cm, 20 gauge 8 cm and 22 gauge 5 cm. For more detail, kindly visit our website www.meditechdevices.com and refer our catalog.